Hello and welcome back to the MHF channel. This time we will unbox and review the pale green pastel hue iPhone 12 in 2022. Alright, let's open the box. I happened to buy this iPhone 12 because my sister asked for help to buy it because she was too busy with her routine. I took the opportunity to borrow it for unboxing purposes. Ha ha ha, smart eh? This iPhone 12 is a 128GB version, and in my opinion it is enough to save some large photos and videos. On the rear side, I think it looks really cool. So inside the box there is a USB-C to Lightning charger cable, and as usual without an adapter. There are also Apple stickers, SIM card openers and so on. And some people say by Apple not giving out a charger adapter, it was able to reduce the size of its box and the packaging process looks more efficient. Of course, it can reduce the price of the iPhone itself. Alright, I can't wait to turn this iPhone. I'm very excited. Let's turn it on now. Woohoo! And the Apple logo has appeared. Awesome! Honestly, this iPhone looks very elegant, very comfortable to grip, and it's handy. The size fits in my hands, of course. And overall, it is very impressive, and I wouldn't hesitate to say it is one of the best iPhone in the world. Am I too exaggerating? No, not at all. Indeed, it is awesome. For the price, now it's starting to be more affordable. At the time of the first launch in Indonesia, it was about 15 million rupiahs, and for the 128 it was about 17 million rupees, and now it's only 11 million-ish for the 64GB. But for the 128GB, the price is 12 million-ish, so the price has dropped significantly. And here are some interesting specifications taken from the GSM Arena website. The screen size is 6.1 inches and it has 12 megapixel camera and a very capable processor, 4GB RAM with Apple A14 Bionic for playing high quality games, editing videos and so on. It also has a fairly large battery capacity, 2815 mAh, which is claimed to last 17 hours for video playback and 65 hours for audio playback. This iPhone 12 already supports 5G network, although it is not very useful in Jakarta because only a few places can do it. This iPhone 12 was first released on October 13, 2020 and officially arrived in Indonesia 2 months later in December. The display has cool features with Super Retina XDR, OLED HDR10 with Dolby Vision, which is very comfortable to look at. Of course, this iPhone supports the latest version of the iOS 15 and also plan to upgrade to iOS 16. For memory capacity, the smallest size is 64GB and the largest is 256GB with 4GB RAM. And the cool thing is, you can unlock your phone with Face ID when you wear a mask or glasses as well. So I think it's still very worth it to buy in 2022, of course. Well, alright, let's try updating to the latest iOS now. Honestly, I'm very impressed with this iPhone 12 and I can't even stop playing around with this iPhone because it's amazing. Now let's try the camera, shall we? Wow, this photo was taken indoors in low light and the quality is amazing. And this is the outdoor video and it's very stunning. And this one was taken with maximum light and the result is incredible. And also don't forget, we should try the night mode for both photos and videos. And yes, the results are incredible. Now let's try the audio. This audio already supports the Dolby Atmos. We use a free copyright song so we don't get a copyright claim. It sounds amazing. And let's try one more time. Wow, and of course it's fantastic. Now it's time for us to try to play the game. And this is the latest eFootball game with the highest quality and the FPS at 60. It looks very smooth and no problems at all. So the conclusion is the iPhone 12 is really impressive and certainly makes your life easier. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to click subscribe, add your comment below and turn on the bell so you can get the latest video from us. Alright, thank you for always watching our video. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.